Hey, I'm Gareth from Infovision Media. Without wasting any time, let me tell you what you will learn from this ebook. You will learn exactly how you can make $10,000 a month from online businesses like Instagram theme pages, Amazon, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, and social media marketing. This is going to help you to create an additional source of income and help you to make money while you sleep. Because the legendary billionaire Warren Buffett once said, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Now, to make money from these online businesses, you do not need to show your face. You do not need any prior experience or any knowledge about these businesses. The additional income that you make from these businesses will help you to achieve financial freedom, to travel the world, to buy your dream car, buy your own dream mansion, and more importantly, be your own boss. Now, the best part about this is that you can do this from any corner of the world. Your location doesn't matter at all. Now, we usually sell this ebook for $100, but the next 100 people can purchase it for just $9.97. That's less than the price of 3 cups of coffee. This can change your life completely. So if you're ready to invest in yourself, click the button below and securely purchase our ebook before the discount ends. See you on the other side.